We left off on line 14, which was other taxes. As I was saying, since we don't have any, or we didn't need to complete Schedule 4 or attach it, we can simply put 0. Now, in most cases, we can follow this. As your life gets more complicated down the road, you may have to look into Schedule 4. Line 15 looks at total tax, which we're going to add lines 13 and 14. So again, 8,705 plus 0 is 8,705. So let's write that down. We get to line 16. Line 16 says federal income tax withheld from forms W-2 and 1099. Again, we have to look back at our W-2 form, and or if we had been sent a 1099 form, that would be reported up here. And if that was the case, we would add both of those together. However, in John's case, he only has the $11,339.50 that has been currently withheld throughout the year. So let's go back to our form, and we're going to put $11,339.50 down. And then, just to clarify what that means is we've paid $11,339.50 through the year at this point. What the IRS's tax table is reflecting is how much they actually needed from us. So right now we can see that we most likely overpaid and we should be given a refund. However, let's finish this up. It says refundable credits. Again, these would be forms that would be sent to you or you would complete in addition, which we have none of these. So we can go ahead and put a 0 at this point. On line 18, it says add lines 16 and 17. These are your total payments. So basically, we're going to take $11,339.50 and put that down there. On line 19, it says if line 18 is more than line 15, subtract line 15 from 18. This is the amount you overpaid. So if we do the math on this and do the subtraction, we're going to end up with a total of $2,634.50. This would be how much we overpaid and that the IRS needs to send to us. If this were you and this were real, you would actually put your bank account numbers at this point, whether that's a checking or savings, it would be directly deposited into them if you completed this online. There are other options which we can talk more about in the class, but at this point we're going to call it done, and this is how you complete a 1040. Now, as your life gets more complicated, there are TurboTax and many online softwares that require a slight fee to use, but might make your life easier. The point of showing you this all is that it's not that hard if you are able to read and take your time and gather all the forms. If I were to have somebody else do this, I'm probably looking at anywhere between $100 to $200 to have somebody do the same thing. If you think about how long that took us, I'd probably just do it myself. And again, as your life gets more complicated, there are online softwares to help you out and basically be the teacher on your shoulder telling you what to put down. So keep in mind, this is an easy process as long as you take your time and go through it. If you have questions, please see your instructor or ask if you have additional questions and just want to know more. Thanks again, and I look forward to helping you out in the future.